Hi everyone, this is Ramya here. Today I am here to tell you all a story. Do you like listening to stories? Yes, let's begin. The name of the story is Gundu Fish and Kutti Fish. Gundu Fish and Kutti Fish were best friends. Gundu Fish was very big and Kutti Fish was small. They would swim in the water together. One day, Gundu fish and Kutti fish caught in a fisherman net. Kutti fish slipped out of the net because she was very small. She tried to help Gundu fish, but he was big. She could not help. Kutti fish went in search of help. Can you help my friend? She asked a sea turtle. I am sorry, Kutti fish. I cannot swim fast enough to help your friend. The sea turtle said. Can you help my friend? She asked the whale. I am sorry, Kutti fish, but my teeth are not sharp enough to bite the net. The whale said. Little swordfish, can you help my friend? Kutti fish asked. My mother can help. Kutti fish, little swordfish said. Catch, catch, catch. They tore the net. Little swordfish and her mother helped Gundu fish escape. Gundu fish was free. Gundu fish, Kutti fish, little swordfish and her mother swam off to play. This is the story about Gundu fish and Kutti fish. Did you enjoy the story? Thank you.